The Western Front. It was not a place of glory, it was a line drawn in mud and blood. For miles and miles it stretched across France and Belgium, a festering wound on the face of the earth. Here great armies met. They dug into the soil like moles, they waited, they fought, they died. The land itself was a casualty, churned and broken. It offered no comfort, only a grim stage for an endless tragedy. No man's land lay between the trenches. It was a haunted, desolate space. Barbed wire grew there like thorny vines. Twisted metal and shattered wood littered the ground. Craters like giant pockmarks filled with stagnant water. Sometimes the bodies of the fallen lay there for days, unreachable, unburied. A constant reminder of the war's cruel indifference. The very air seemed to hold its breath, heavy with unspoken horrors and the stench of decay. This strip of land was a monument to futility. The sounds were a constant companion. The sharp crack of a sniper's rifle, the stuttering cough of a machine gun, the distant menacing rumble of artillery, then the whistle and scream of an incoming shell, followed by the earth-shattering explosion. These sounds wove a symphony of destruction. They burrowed into the mind, they became the rhythm of life and of death. Sleep was a luxury few could afford, always punctuated by the terrible orchestra of war. The sky above was rarely blue. Often it was a canvas of smoke and chemical haze. Grey clouds hung low, mirroring the despair on the ground. Rain fell often. It turned the trenches into quagmires of thick, sucking mud. Mud that clung to boots, to uniforms, to souls. It was cold. It was relentless. The sun, when it appeared, seemed like a distant, forgotten memory. A cruel reminder of a world that no longer seemed to exist for the men trapped in this brutal landscape.